Quantification of chlorides in the water. Our objective is to determine the amount of chloride present in a sample of water from the fountain of Este Campus Santa Fe by the Moore method. Well, the Moore method is the determination of chloride. By this method is based on nitration with silver nitrate using potassium chromate as indicator. Initially, silver nitrate reacts with the sample, forming silver chloride. In the reaction of chlorine plus silver, we got a white precipitate of silver chloride. This white precipitate indicates the presence of chlorides in our sample problem. When all our chlorides are consumed, the solution of silver nitrate ions react with chromatose ions, forming so silver chromate. At this time, the sample changes due to the formation of a new precipitate shown on the video. This beer indicates color has come to the last of the score. The material we are going to use in this project is a burette of 25 ml, one support and clamps for the burette, 2 Erlenmeyer flasks of 250 ml, 1 pipette, 2 micropipettes, 1 interface logger pro, 1 beaker of 50 ml, 1 pH sensor or pH meter, 1 water sample problem from the fountain of Tec Santa Fe, 1 sample of silver nitrate solution, boiled and at 1 molar, potassium chromate solution at 5%, sodium carbonate solution, dilute acetic acid, and distillate water. That's our material for this project. The methodology or procedure for our project is the next one. The first step is that we need a pipette of 10 ml of the sample and pass it to an Erlenmeyer flask of 250 ml. The next step is that we need 50 ml of distilled water and add it to the flask. Then we need to add 3 to 4 drops of the indicator, that is the chromate, at 5%. We need to connect the logger pro to the computer and calibrate the pH meter and get a pH of between 7 and 8.3. In no way we need that pH range get out of this range. If it is underneath 7, we need to alkalinize with sodium carbonate. If it is above 8.3, we need to acidify. That means that we need to add acetic acid. After that, we need to prepare the burette and fill it with the silver nitrate solution, 0.1 molar. We need to start adding the silver nitrate without leaving and moving the Erlenmeyer flask until we get the color orange-red. When we get the color, we need to check that the final color beer is the wish and need to stop adding silver nitrate. We need to record the volume of silver nitrate used in evaluation chloride and perform necessary stoichiometry calculations to determine the amount of chlorides in the present problem of water sample.